pumpkin
That's
king
right.
or a pumpkin?
Victims that have test positive for toxoplasmosis. This is when.
Whoa, 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 oh!
Is there a way? I don't think there is. I don't think there is. I think there's like.
They'll say, oh, she had the blonde weave, and why would I defend somebody with a blonde weave? I don't care what she have in her head. She's being assaulted in front of you by this dude, and you gonna sit there and say, shoot, how did she get? She got the blonde weave.
That white truck.
Like, does that
Blonde
matter?
weave.
Being fat, or Kim Kardashian never having to work a day in her life, or whatever, right? People are talking about these things in the comment
What
section,
the
and people get so
fuck?
heated, and they want to talk about it, and they
Well,
want to
let
take
the
part
guy
in this
in.
social media war.
Clade happens to be. This chapter is an exception in that it is the only one indicated strictly by genetics and morphological affinities rather than by an unambiguous character trait diagnosis.
What? Was that a dual turn fail in front of that truck? Really? You couldn't read the signs? BMW blows right through the stop sign.
Hear you, because obviously this isn't Dora the Explorer, so you can stop now. If you're an international viewer, or the average American, you were probably going to get it wrong anyway. Let's name them all together, shall we? If you didn't already know, the US flag has 13 stripes on it to pay homage to the original 13 colonies.
Why are you
So let's start
stopping?
at the bottom and work our way up. Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia.
You think this is really working?
Straight from a left turn lane.
Good luck.
Individual loans are what we list, regardless of the interest rate. You have one that's 1900.
Whoa.
What's your next smallest one?
That pickup truck.
My next smallest one is 2000.
I'll think about it. I got sounds for the riches, tapping all the riches. Got the hollow points for the cinches. What the fuck? Of course.
Live from New York. That's perfect. And so that was fun, great treat. And then it just worked out. My oldest son Ty turned 13, and we wanted to do a destination trip as the birthday present. Oh, that's awesome.
Yes, she said my chords broke down and just seemed real nice with me. I got a car full of girls and it's going real
They went from the left lane. Ice missiles. Seriously. Arrows fly. Why would you do that? Nope. It's just off coming too. That's what driving the ring sucks about.
These nice walnuts. Look at these nice walnuts. Oh, these are nice candied walnuts.
That's
And
red light
straight
run.
these out.
Like the fact that the Kamehamehas were so worried about diluting their bloodline that they pulled a Targaryen and basically incested
Red light
themselves
runner.
into extinction.
They just run right through the stop sign. It's a four-way stop here.
They're not good anymore. I was like, well, so just goodbye? Nothing? Is there nothing? You just, nothing? There's no it's like incurable shitty.
WTF is amazing. Like, that's what we should have called our Florida story segment. WTF, what the Florida?
Took our maternity photo shoot to a whole new level.
Alright, so
Okay. Gonna hold people up.
So check out the Facebook page.
Straight from a left turn lane.
I can't take care of myself.
Oh, red
And
light
I'm always
run.
just uncomfortable, just sweaty, and just.
while they're robbing the bank, and the Uber driver shows up. And this is like a stupid thing to do. Because the Uber driver is probably not going to cooperate.
Yeah, that was pretty bad.
You know,
around the area saying the I, and somewhere along the line someone got confused and assumed it was the neighborhood name. Still
move
today,
up.
that name shows up on Google Maps, and
Come on.
if you really want, you can search and buy real estate in the...
Oh! Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. And why'd you... Seriously?
Yes, now that one. Arizona's fate was entwined with New Mexico still, having many of the violence issues that New Mexico had, including the plague of range wars on New Mexico. They almost immediately began campaigning for their own state or territory,
Lexus
and would
ran that
continue
red
to do
light.
so into the 1870s.
Let's see if I can get it on cam.
I cannot.
That red truck caught off the gray truck. Red light runner, and red light runner. 3 of them in a row with that left turn thing.
When it comes to the innovation, nobody's been really asking for right axle, masticating hand.
Wow.
No, oh, when it comes to innovation, no.
Wow. Move over, Law. What are you stopping for? Really? What the hell? Don't tell me. Yeah, he's backing up. If you missed your exit, tough shit. Keep going and turn around legally. Really?
If you order now, we'll also throw in a set of steak knives. All American.
What the fuck? You're supposed to let the pedestrian go.
Well, that's pretty neat. Does it mean no
Jaywalker.
race for the rest of our days?
The team weren't all too fond of. It was, however, the second time Juggernaut was portrayed as a mutant in live action.
Wait, what?
Even though he's not actually a mutant in the comics.
This is good corporate culture right here. This is actually when business works right. When things really listen to customers.
Double lines.
Finance that want to be able to give us the sustainable financing we need to create permanent supportive housing for these individuals. We're talking with people in the jail. It turns out the lack of housing is a
double lines here. Again.
Recidivism rate here in the state of Illinois, which is about 44% after 2 years.